Hi, this is Cliff from Seminole with another English tip. If I want to emphasize an adjective, there's three really nice ways to do it. I can use so, really, and very. Now, I don't advise to use so frequently because so is the most that we can emphasize an adjective. If I see a beautiful motorcycle in the street and I say the motorcycle is so beautiful, and then on Friday night my girlfriend has put on her nicest clothes and done her makeup and I say, you're so beautiful, she'll say, you mean like that motorcycle? So on a daily basis you should try to use very and really to emphasize the adjective. The motorcycle is very beautiful. And then that Friday night, when you need to say something nice to your girlfriend, you say, you're so beautiful. Thanks. See you next time.